Iris Rosin from Green Hour NYC, here to show you a couple of beautiful designs, nature inspired. Our whole concept and whole mission is to reconnect people back to nature via our experiences, workshops, and activities with nature, such as what you see behind us, our nature bars. And this is one example with flowers, another can be also plants. We could do a whole mix of flowers and plants, crystals, scents, what I create also the nature cubes. But right now I'm going to show you a couple of flower designs and how to create some very simple designs. The idea is also to just be as natural as possible. Just use your own creativity, personalize it for yourself, and create something beautiful. Example, created some of these designs earlier, all under $25, simple and beautiful, to each his own design. I enjoy creating just either with one color or more. Right now I'm going to show you a monotone design. And in fact, I'm going to use, believe it or not, synthetics and also some dry flowers. The idea behind this is we want to keep things as long as possible. We want to reuse. We don't want to throw out. And that's actually, although this is made maybe not in a sustainable way, however it is sustainable if you're going to keep it for a long time. And these are already dried and preserved, and in fact they look really beautiful together. So also I'm going to use the rosemary to give it that natural scent, and everything here can just be kept, as well as eucalyptus. So as we know, eucalyptus, I actually have it in my shower, and you just hang it upside down, all of these to dry, and they work beautifully. So I have another eucalyptus right here, and this you just let it dry, and it has a beautiful scent. So if you just kind of take a quick peek at how all those look together, really quite beautiful. I'm going to show you just an easy design. I'm going to choose probably only 2 foliage as opposed to 3, and I'm going to go and use, I'm not going to go ahead with the lavender, the dry lavender, because these usually look best on their own, and they're going to kind of get lost in here. But that is beautiful as well with just eucalyptus, because that makes an excellent dry bouquet that you can even just hold upside down and even just hang it on a nail, and that's really beautiful. So I'm going to show that to you as well. But first, I want to do everything like lavender, just monotone. So another idea is you can go ahead and put some fresh flowers in there, and then just replace the fresh flowers with what already is dry or synthetic. So we'll do that as well. All right, so I'm going to take just a few stems of these cuties. Probably, these are immortelle, they're called. Probably about 8 stems of those. Okay. And I'm going to take actually the light purple of the stock. This has a wonderful scent. Yum. Okay, and I'm going to just choose, going to go ahead and use both of the different eucalyptus. So I'm going to cut that up because those are small, so I want to use just shorter stems. The same with this. I'm going to just kind of cut that all, divide it up so I can maximize. Look how many stems I already have now that I did that. And I'm going to take one more of the eucalyptus. All right, here we are. Make sure that all the stems in the bottom are out. And you see how they're all like 3 like that? So I'm going to just take it apart. And I'm going to take one more of the seeded eucalyptus, probably 2 more stems. Look how that is. So I'm just going to divide that up. And that's how I prepare first my table with all of my ingredients, materials. And this, I'm going to, going to need to cut that. That's 1. And that's 2. Probably just going to use, I'd say, 2 of these stems. Yeah, probably 3. All right, get that back there. Okay, so now, as you see, I have them all laid out here. I don't know if you do see that. There you go. All right, so here I have the stock, and it's all sort of monotone, which is the idea. So this is a little tall, long, so I'm going to cut that so it'll be easier to work with. Remove the leaves so that everything is ready to go. Super. Now I'm going to start start actually with the eucalyptus. I'm going to put that, take about 2 or 3 of these stems, and then I'm going to take this, more of the synthetic, just put that in the middle. I'm going to take one of the stock as well, put that in the middle. And I'm going to take a different eucalyptus and just surround that. Now I'm going to take some of the other eucalyptus, another stem, and I'm just pretty much just, playing, so to speak, right? I'm just seeing how all that works. You can always sort of mix it around and move it around if you don't like it, but that seems to work really beautiful in a very natural type of a way, very free-flowing. I'm going to put the synthetic just surrounding the stock. See how pretty that is already? I love how the tone-on-tone works, different color purples, and I'm constantly twisting and turning just like I'm creating a hand tie, a bouquet. So every time I'm adding another stem, I'm twisting and turning, and then I'm just going to cut everything so it'll make it easier. And removing the leaves so that makes that easier as well. Okay, I'm going to take a little more of the eucalyptus. There we go. And now I'm going to take these. These are very delicate, so I'm just going to do one by one. I'm going to put these on the outside so you can really see those. You might not see them from there, but you will soon. So I'll take 2 of those, just put it on the outside. Put it on the outside, then they stand out. The purple is a very beautiful color. Just like that. Just like that. Constantly twisting and turning. A little bit more. Yeah, now I'm going to add 1 or 2 more of the eucalyptus. A few more stems, just to surround yourself with nature. All right, just like that. Yep, I think we've got it. There we go. Gorgeous. I'm just going to cut that up so the stems are all the same height. Get rid of some of those leaves. Clean up that table. And I'm going to show that to you a little bit closer so you can see how beautiful all those colors are. Look at the purples. See how the purples are at the edges? That is a really free-flowing natural bouquet. Going to tie that up with some raffia. And once again, something in the $30 range, or give or take. You got yourself a gorgeous bouquet that you can give as a gift or keep for yourself. There you have it. Now I'm going to use, again, paper that I like to reuse everything. This is clean. I just got it today from the flowers that I bought, and they wrap all the flowers all the time, so I'd like to reuse things as long as they're clean, which this is. And look how pretty that is now. Just simple wrapping. And there you have it again with another little raffia to tie that up. And the scent of the flowers, especially the stock, are beautiful. So I love to mix something that has a little bit of a scent, and then it appears. I mean, if you wouldn't know it, I don't think you can tell the difference if there's actual synthetic or dry here. It looks all fresh flowers because of the fresh greens. This, in fact, other than the stock, and once you put it in a vase, you can take the raffia out, and you can just keep replacing the fresh flowers, or not, or then just leave it upside down, or just keep it in a vase dry. Well, thanks for watching. Iris Rosen, Green Hour, NYC.